Hello, welcome back to Aloe podcast. Today I have with me a very good friend of mine, Vera, that is not just my friend, but also a well-known climatologist. So as you may have already inferred, we are going to be talking about climate change. So tell us, Angela, what is climate change?
Hello. Good afternoon. Thank you, Valeria, for having me here. So, talking about climate change. Climate change is an issue that we're facing today. Climate change can cause a lot of problems like constant shifting of weather, floodings, the scarcity of food, animals, and water, between more, that we will talk about during my time here. So, do you know what causes climate change?
Yes, I know that one of the main pollutants of the earth are the greenhouse gases, which some of them are carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. I know that these gases are mainly produced by companies and cars, since they are burning fossil fuel. But how do these gases actually affect our planet?
Well, these gases get stuck in the atmosphere. Since they cannot get out of here, they go to the top, so a layer of gases is formed. And what they do is that they block the sun's heat, so it makes the earth warmer, with this making possible all the effects of climate change to occur.
Oh my god, that's so bad. And how bad does climate change actually affect us?
There are a lot of ways that we're affected by climate change. One of them is that temperatures will continue to rise as the climate change gets worse, making summers more and more hot and causing more heat waves. Another way that this affects us is in the future the sea level may rise because of the ice of Antarctica is slowly melting thanks to the change of climate route. So a lot of important cities near the sea will disappear. Some examples of cities that may disappear are Venice, New York, Bangkok, Miami, Tokyo, between more. And what I think is the most alarming is that it is expected that at the end of this century, 50% of the terrarium species will be in danger of extinction. In 10 years, if we don't change, the effects of climate change may be irreversible.
That's so alarming to hear. It's truly horrifying that we are killing our own home and some people don't even care. I hate to see that there are people in power like Donald Trump that don't think that this is true, when there is clearly proof that it exists. But the good thing is that there is still time to fix this. So tell me, Angela, what solutions would you propose for stopping the propagation of climate change?
Some of the basic things I would propose for us to do daily that we could help stopping propagation of climate change is changing the way we consume.
By changing the way we consume, I suppose you mean doing such things as recycling, reusing, and reducing, or using more sustainable things like bamboo toothbrushes, the bus, the bicycle, etc. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. Also, some other solutions by changing our consumer habits could be trying to save energy consume and also red meat consume.
Oh yeah, I have heard something about consuming red meat being responsible of most of the emitted gases that propagate climate change. But thank God, some governments are starting to invest in green resources and implement new ways of consumption to their people. But I think we got rid of time. Has been a pleasure to talk about this issue with you, Angela.
Yes, you're right once again. Thank you so much for having me here today. I am glad to talk about these issues like this and spread awareness to young minds. Thank you for hearing us. Hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.